Hey everyone, my name is Joel and I'm a CEO co-founder of Humilis AI. So Humilis AI will start with the ambition to make lots of AI models collaborate together. Our first product, JoChat, have a lot of success, lots of people love it. So we built the first AI agent for business management and we have amazing user. After that, we see a real problem. Like there's a big problem on infrastructure. How we can make the model better. So we try to create Mr. of AI. So Mr. of AI was the first infrastructure platform where people to mix different model and have intelligent layer and build a mixed model. With that, we create Codiris V1, who was the first AI model who outperformed Claude 3.5 and Gemini 2.5 in June 2025. So now we are happy to introduce you Codiris PDE. Codiris PDE is the first product development environment who help you to go fast and in qualitative way from user insights to production and to be enterprise grade and production ready. So let's deep dive in Codiris. So first, let's create a new product. I want to create some product that I get is dating app for traveler people. People who are in distant relationship. So let's do that. Travel there, voilà. So I save it. The Codiris is now opening and creating my new project. So the package goes, so let's start. So you can ask Codiris with chat or you can call him. So now I like to say hi first, I like it. And I say, I want to create a dating platform for travelers and long distance people. So now he asked me a lot of questions and I want to answer. So first I want web app for all of primary user you site. I don't know if it's called English, but yeah. Why focus on travel long term? Because most of young people like to travel, discover the world, but want to create a love relationship too. So I sent him. So now he make a deconstruction of the idea to understand, okay, what I want. If I need, I can talk more about my idea, ask him what type of feature you want I add. You can ask a lot of things. Or you can, I love this feature is you can call Codiris here. So hi Codiris, how are you?
Add any details or adjustments to the deconstruction we outlined for the dating platform, or should we proceed to the research stage?
Yes, but before the research stage, I want you to help me to add new feature with AI agent. So you can make call with Codiris, and after you have all this information, you can go to research. So here, like you see, my market research just starts. So Codiris go to find all the data about the traveler platform, the competitive landscape, and find the trend in the dating platform in 2025. So we see the process is going. So Codiris, what he's doing now is like he have a lot of different agents in the internet and he go to find a recent information or old information and make a classification to find you a relevant information. Because we think like the good data about the market can help you to find a good market and to help you to create a new product and very good. So here we see like Codiris find a good information. First, we can see the look at the industry, the executive summary. So frequent travelers, 35% expatriates to the abroad. So we have all these people, and you can have some description of this type of people who can be yeah, your potential user. Now he defined the problem. So he said current dating platform don't fully cater to the needs of traveler and people on long distance. That's true. So the opportunity is to develop a dating platform that integrates location-based service and travel plan to facilitate connection between travelers and local with similar interests. I like it. It's good. So you see, like he now find the market size of this, this market of this problem. So it's like $11 billion, and you find the dating for travelers is like $2 billion. And we can see the pain points. So Codiris find 3 pain points here. And after you can see the competition analysis. I love that he make a big competition analysis with Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. So you can see which one have a geolocation matching, who wants video verification, friend integration, and itinerary sharing. I love that. So you can now see which type of segment you want to position your company or product. And the revenue opportunities, if you don't know how to monetize this application, you can find it directly in Codiris, who give us, for example, 3 ways to make a business with this product. So you have the subscription model, you have the affiliate travel partnership, and you have in-app purchase. I like it. So after that, you have the key trends. So the first trend is the rise of AI enhanced matching, and the second trend is focused on safety and verification. So you can see like Codiris found us the trend, so we can see the breakdown to understand where this insight from. So you can see that it's 85% of people of AI-driven personalization who increase the success of match. Same thing for the second trend, you can see breakdown. And down you can see all the research he did, so the sources of the research. And yeah, you can ask Codiris to have more information of the market research. So yeah, that's it for the market research. Now go to the design. But in the next month, you're gonna have a new release is the user research, like I say. In the user research, Codiris can go and talk to user for you. So you can find all the information in the Codiris app just to go and book a demo with us, and you can have a beta to try it before everyone. Now let's go to the design. Codiris launch for you the design. So to do that, you have a backlog, and the backlog, you have the user story, the feature, and the user flow. Like we are seeing now, he's processing to make it. So why this step is very important for us? You think like create a product is not just prompting and give the answer, but create a product is to imagine how to build an entire process and how to take care about each process. So make something people want, you need to understand how they use your product. So it's why we create Codiris. So Codiris help people to make each type of the user flow from the sign up or from the dashboard to finally to the payment. So you can answer all the steps of the user. So we are now generating. Sometimes it takes time, but yeah, it will come into. Okay. So now, like you can see, Codiris generate for us 3 features, and we see all of this user story inside the feature. So you can see story 1, story 2, story 3. I like it, and that's something here is the priority. It makes some user story have more priority than other one. So you can see all of that here. If you take, for example, one story who is like match with nearby users, you have all the tasks, and you can see everything. Here is the estimate time human can do. So it's not really the estimate time like AI can do. After that, you can see the user flow. And the user flow, you have different things here. For example, you see he make you the diagram like how this story will work. So you have the user, you have input location, you can connect with match, app communication, find nearby user. So you have all this information whose look great. I love it. And so this user flow, if you want to do it yourself, it can take you a lot of time, but AI agents make it for you. So in the design and user story part, you have multi-agent who is doing the different team to just help you to map all the user step during the user journey of your user. And after you have the roadmap to see, okay, which feature I want to build first, so the MVP or the release 1 or the release 2 or release 3. Okay, here he make the release 2 or release 3. Okay, sometimes, it's changing, but it's okay. Now we finish, we can go to the branding. The branding is important because it's here we're gonna give him what we want to build. So for example, I want to build the MVP, so I just apply. I don't want to build first the release, so I let it. Now he said, okay, this is the page for the MVP. You can see all information he will build. And now I'm gonna approve it and I go to the inspiration part. Is here, I can now submit and give him some inspiration. So I will go, for example, on Google and search for I love Inge. So I put Inge and I will take the inspiration of Inge here. So I will download it. And so after I can give to Codiris this inspiration. Okay, there's a problem with the inspiration here. I think it was not in PNG. Okay, so let's find more a PNG. Or something we will use most of the time is Mobin. Mobin, you have all the screenshots of the app you want to use, so it can be better. So let's go to Mobin and find the inspiration. I don't know if they have, for example, Inge. Okay, so they have Inge. I go to Inge and I will try to download a screenshot of Inge, just here. So here, so you can, if you have Mobin, you can just download it directly or save it. Okay, so download the PNG, that's good. And after I come to Codiris, and yeah, we have it. So that's good. I add and I will approve it. When I approve, you see in few seconds he will generate me the whole design system based in the screenshot I give to them. In the future, you can upload your own design system coding directly, so you don't need again to give him a screenshot, because sometimes the screenshot he will take, of course, the good design system, but sometimes it will not match ideally with your design system. So if you have all the same design system and for you it's important like AI respect all the design system, it's good just to give directly to the AI and the AI will make it for you. So is join. Sometimes if you click on approve, it will not come directly. So you need to refresh the page or you need to push 2 times the button. Okay, I will refresh the page. I hope it will come. Okay, so now we can see like we have our image we give to him and he give us some design system based on the feature. So just to remember you, it is this picture. So we have all the color and we have all the typography and everything here. So now we have all this information, we can approve and now we can build. So we go to build the Traveler is like the dating app for travelers and distance relation people. So let's go. So Codiris is starting now. During this time, I want to talk to you about the build aspect. In the build aspect, we have now different type of thing. For example, we have the model you can use. Here you have Claude 4.5 IQ, who is available for free users. We have Gemini, we have Claude 4 and Claude 4.5. You have all these models, and especially Claude 4.5 Sonnet is available in Pro plan. I advise you to have the Pro plan so you can have the more benefit of this type of model, which is one of the best model now. And at left, you can see front end and back end. So because you can try to create the front end first, and the next version of Codiris, you can create the back end together. But here you can create the front end and import after the front end directly in your environment like VS Code or Cursor. If you want to download the code, you have just here, you can download, or you can connect with GitHub. So your product is connected to GitHub and your developer can take it and work it. Now, Codiris is very good for product designer, UX designer, just front-end engineer. Not enough for software full stack products, but it is where we are going to do. So like you see, it generates me a lot of page. So it's thanking. You can already see the preview of your application at left. And I like it so much. Let me talk about the next feature, who will come in soon. So we have the QA testing. After create your product, you can now go to the QA testing and test all the features. So you don't need again to go yourself and see, oh, the sign up is not working. No. You can just ask Codiris to make it for you, and he will see everything is not working and restart the process to be sure like everything you talk in the design plan or in the user story match with the building, the product who was built. So after that, now you can deploy. You can deploy on Vercel, AWS, or any type of infrastructure you want with our deployment agent. So yeah, that's impressive. Generating something, but you need to know there are some stuff he didn't do every time. It's like the image, you need to ask him to add image to make it. Here, for example, you see like he put any image. Okay, we'll try to make it better, but if you want image, you can just ask him make image. It's because we are making some partnership with Nano Banana, so you can generate a better quality image directly in Codiris for your website. So yeah, let's get started. So I can try it here, or I can open a new link, just here. So I open the new link and I put Jojo. Oh, I already have it. Okay, it's okay. Jojo, gmail.com. And so yeah. So we create an account. It asks me some information, my age. I'm 25, I'm male. I'm based in Paris now. Paris, San Francisco, but here now, Paris. I like to travel, meet people, and work in tech. Yeah. Okay, tell me to complete my profile. So I love adventure, food, nightlife, culture, art, and beach. So it's good. I like the fact that he asked me all this type of question, and I'm more digital nomad. So complete profile. Oh, so now I have all the information about like the people. Yeah, I asked for web apps, so I have web apps, and yes, so I can like it. The only big problem is like there's some problem with the contrast. You know, it needs to be in black. The writing here, so I can ask to make it better. But I like the design; is not so bad, and I will try to put it like that to see in mobile how it will look like. Oh, guys, I don't know how to do that, but yeah, okay. So okay, here live look like that. So normally you have to have image. So okay, and after you have your like, your message, and your profile. I think it's not so bad because I like it, guys. I like it. So here you have Jojo. I can edit the profile and put what I want here. I think that's nice. I love it so much. And back here. So yeah, could you just build that very easily, you know, because it's not just a prompt. You give prompt, but you try to find the user story you want. It is all of that who make your product good. So you don't need every time to build one by one. If you make a good plan and you make a good user story, you can have a good product. So yeah, That's Codiris. So we are happy to give you Codiris. So today you can have access to Codiris free for 7 days. So go to try it on codiris.build and give us your feedback or tell your friend if you like what you built. So see you.